Collective Ballot Stack shows you all the possible outcomes. In this decision, which is about collectively choosing a staff benefits package, there were 810 different outcomes possible. Ethelo gives each outcome a score, called the Ethelo score, which measures how much support that outcome would have from the group. Ethelo means intention, or will, in ancient Greek, and the Ethelo score is a measure of how much collective willpower is behind a decision. That collective willpower will depend not only on how satisfied individual people are by the decision, but also by how much resistance they would have. Studies have shown that people will resist outcomes when satisfaction is distributed unfairly. This phenomena is called inequity aversion, and it has been demonstrated not only in people, but also in monkeys, dogs, and birds. For example, if two people make an agreement, and one person is 50% happy with the agreement, and the other person is 90% happy with the agreement, then their average happiness is 70%, which sounds fairly high. However, the large 40% gap in the satisfaction between the parties means that the one who is only 50% satisfied would put forth less effort in implementing the agreement. That party may also resist it, thinking it is unfair. Studies have shown that even the party who is benefiting from the unfairness will support it less because of the unfairness. A stronger collective agreement would be one where the two parties were 72% and 68% satisfied, respectively. The average satisfaction in that case is still 70%, but now the gap between the two parties is only 4%, rather than 40%. Because there is greater equality between the parties, the outcome will be more stable and benefit from greater collaboration. The Ethelo score looks firstly at how satisfied people would be made on average by an outcome, and secondly, how much resistance there would be to that outcome because of unfairness. You can scroll through all the different outcomes by pressing on the green arrows to see the Ethelo score and description for each one. In this example, you can also see the total cost of each outcome. So, if the total budget for the benefit package is only $170,000, then the management could scroll through until they find the most popular benefit package that is within that budget.